Unstructured safety data is everywhere, and without the right tools, this activity is manual, expensive, and error-prone. Pharma and medtech teams are looking for integrated solutions that can meet the challenge of complexity and growth. With the IQVIA Vigilance platform, you can automate current processes or enhance your entire approach to safety surveillance. Built by safety professionals, IQVIA Vigilance Detect rapidly finds safety data that sits outside of your control, and IQVIA Vigilance Collect collates and optimizes data within your control, together improving the quality of the data flowing into your organization. These system-agnostic technologies can operate independently or integrate with your safety system or IQVIA Vigilance intake. MEDRA coding, PII, consent, audit trails, and all relevant standards are taken care of as data is analyzed or collected. By analyzing and managing unstructured data at the very beginning of the process, you safeguard the quality and increase the automation potential of your entire safety process. With IQVIA Vigilance Detect, you can eliminate 60 to 90% of redundant data before your core safety processes and quickly identify safety risks in large datasets, even those outside of your organization. IQVIA Vigilance Detect uses natural language AI trained with massive safety-specific datasets to have the industry's most comprehensive ontologies. IQVIA Vigilance Detect uncovers adverse events, product complaints, off-label use, and other potential risks in multiple languages in any type of data. Data can be pulled from email, social media, audio files, CRM, and more. Files are automatically transcribed and key terms highlighted to simplify human review and streamline the AE confirmation process. IQVIA Vigilance Detect can rapidly review your data, reduce your resource needs, and remove risk. What can we do to reduce some of the volumes of unstructured data we receive? What if we could make it easy for patients, healthcare professionals, medical representatives, call centers, patient support programs, and personnel to report events in a simple and structured way? IQVIA Vigilance Collect does just that. A web and mobile application allowing users to report adverse events with no training. Featuring a company-branded design, IQVIA Vigilance Collect is available in multiple languages, allowing users to report events with easy-to-use interactive screens. Configurable fields allow product data to be captured, automatically validated, and loaded directly into your corporate safety system or to a triage management tool like IQVIA Vigilance Intake. Using dynamic forms, the user is presented with data elements they need to consider, allowing them to input data quickly, including product details, side effects, as well as patient information and contact details. The system automatically surfaces potential data issues at time of entry, allowing corrections prior to cases being sent to your safety system, and by dynamically asking users additional questions as needed, you can reduce follow-up activity by more than 70%. Users can download the full report to keep a record of the data they entered. IQVIA Vigilance Detect and IQVIA Vigilance Collect can work independently or together, integrated into your current processes to drive down the time, effort, and risks of manual activity. IQVIA Vigilance Detect and IQVIA Vigilance Collect allow you to automatically find, receive, and process safety data, reducing human review and rework, and significantly improving quality at every step. IQVIA's system-agnostic tools can be deployed quickly into your existing environment, allowing you to enhance current systems with AI-supported processes.